Hi Aashna,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Do you remember
Yes,
alphabets?
yes,
Every alphabet it has name and sound.
yes.
A says
A says
A,
A,
apple,
apple,
ant,
and
arrow.
arrow.
B says
B says
B,
B,
bat,
bat,
ball,
ball,
balloon.
balloon.
C says
C says
cat,
cat,
camel,
camel,
class.
glass.
We have learned till C. Today I'm going to teach you
D,
letter
D.
D and its sounds. I have told you Dave and Jane both are
Friends.
friends. During holidays, they went to Uncle Larry's farm. Very good. And what happened? Dave was a detective boy. Okay?
Yes,
And he saw one big drum. What he saw?
big
Big
drum.
drum.
Big
And
drum.
he started playing that
Drum.
drum. Okay. D, d, d. This way bit. Can you do it? D, d, d. D, d, d. Drummer
Drummer.
Dave
Dave
says
says
d,
the,
d,
the,
d,
the,
d.
the.
Okay.
Yes.
D says
D says
d,
the.
d,
D says the,
d,
the,
d,
the,
d.
the.
Okay. D
Yes.
says d.
D says the.
Drummer
Drummer.
Dave says
Dave says
d,
the,
d,
the,
d.
the.
Dog,
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 duck,
duck,
doctor,
doctor,
devil.
devil.
Okay, devil means what do you know?
No.
Shaitan.
Yes.
Devil. Doctor,
Doctor,
duck,
duck,
dot.
dot.
Okay, D says
D says
d,
the.
D says
D says
d. Like follow me. D, d, d.
the.
Dave and Jane they went to Uncle
Larry.
Larry's farm and they saw one big drum and Dave started playing that drum and it sounds. How does sounds came? D, d, d.
The.
D says
D says
d.
the.
Drummer.
Drummer.
Dave says
Dave says
d,
the,
d,
the,
d.
the.
Got it?
Yes.
You have to practice.